my name is Aidan. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox Lego City is 60355. It's water police, and this Lego, and there are 278 pieces. So let's open. So here we need to use the scissors to open it. Okay, we got the scissors, so let's open it. This Lego is about $15. So let's open this already. Something secret. Let's open. Wow. So here is the glass, and there is 5 bags. Okay, and there is a really little instruction. So you need to use the app to start building it.